Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Casio model and battery is fine, because model menus differ. Press mode to cycle modes and stop at stat or log. On many models, you must press shift then mode to reveal secondary menus. Once in the right menu, look for the log label or the logarithm key log. Follow these first actions to get the calculator into a state where you can input numbers for computation. This avoids mode conflicts and ensures subsequent. Now you input the value you want to log and choose the base, because the result depends on that base. Type the number, then press log for base 10 or ln for natural log, simple and fast. If you need a different base, press shift to access the log base function, enter the desired base, and then the value. Make sure to close parentheses when required, because incorrect bracketing leads to syntax errors. This step converts your number correctly for the base you specified. Press equals to compute the log and read the result. You should see a numerical value on the main line. If the result looks wrong or you get an error, check parentheses, decimal separator, and whether you accidentally left the calculator in complex or statistical mode. Those modes change behavior. If problems persist, reset to default with the reset key sequence, but note this clears memory. Finally, re-enter a simple test like log 100 to confirm correct operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.